Once theme has been selected, we'll start constructing a presentation. Okay, we'll start designing a presentation. Okay, first here on a first sheet, okay, usually what we will do, we'll write our company name or what title of the presentation also we can write. Okay, and either you can write a title of the presentation here, and the company name here has a subtitle or your name who is going to present the presentation. Okay, like this we can write. Okay, we can write the name and presentation. Then next, one more slide you would like to insert, right? Once you have been given a title, you would like to insert one more name. Okay, one more slide. How to insert a new slide? We have to go to slide here, slide option, there select new slide. Once new slide has been inserted, select that particular slide. If you like to change the layout, you don't want this layout, title and the text. If you like to have different type of the layout, then you can go to a slide. You can go to this slide and you can select the different layouts from here. Okay, you can select which type of the layout you require, like title and body. We'll select that one. Okay, title and body, this will be title and body. And if it is not if it is required, only the click to add title, only the title or comparison between a two product. Okay, I will select this one first, title and body only. Will give about us, and I will write here like um, we are like this. We'll write some of the something about ourselves. Okay, just I'm writing here randomly, not to waste a time. Okay, just I'm writing random way. Okay, again, to if you like to duplicate this particular slide, again you can use a slide, duplicate slide. Okay, in case by mistake you have been duplicated, you don't want this third slide, then you what you can do, go to slide, delete slide. Okay, for example, you have been added one more slide. Okay, and this particular slide need not to be shown in a presentation, but you need that particular slide, it need to be used in a future. That particular case, what you can do, go to slide and skip slide. So you can observe here the I mark has been as a crossed, that shows that it will be skipped in a presentation. For example, if you are going to present here from the first, click down arrow. Next, it is not showing. Third slide is we have been skipped, so that third slide was not shown in a presentation. Okay, this is about a slide, inserting a slide, and you can move this slide. For example, this third slide to be moved to the second. Okay, move to the up side. Then go to slide, move slide, and move slide up, so that it will be moving to on a top. Again, to move down or move to the beginning or move to the end in the sense at last it will be taken. Okay, beginning is nothing but it will become a first slide, it will become a first slide and last slide. If you select a beginning and end, moving up and down based on where you would like to position, you can position by using this particular way. This is about inserting a new slide and start writing a content in a slide which one you have been inserted.